Now we're talking about a Govee 16-foot color-changing strip light. Now you might be saying, strip lights? They're all the same. And I want to tell you that you couldn't be more wrong, actually. There are a bunch of super garbage trash strip lights on Amazon. You want to buy premium ones that will be customizable, that will actually stay in place when you mount them, and that you can control through Bluetooth, wireless, and voice, and physically with a button. And these strip lights from Govee, I'm using the 16-foot version, do all of those things at the exact same time. Let me just show them to you up close, and then I'm going to talk about what these strip lights mean. Whoa, there they are under my desk. So as you can see, they're cycling through colors under my desk. I've got them on my desk, and I've got them mounted behind. And as you can see, there's a little white strip there holding them down under my desk. And so the effect that they have on my space, you might be like, I don't know, I don't really see an effect. Yeah, let me turn them off. And then you'll kind of see the difference between having these strip lights on in my space versus having the strip lights off in my space. Are you ready? So this is with strip lights on. They've been on the whole time, and then let me turn them off. You ready? Oh, so sad. Oh my gosh, that's the saddest thing I've ever heard. Wow, is that sad. Now, if I turn them back on, check this out. Look at the impact it has on the decor in my space. And my space is lit up literally like a freaking TV studio. So let me just show you some of the functionality here of the strip lights and how they can have an impact on my space. So as you can see, I've got them mounted up here on the bottom of my desk, and I've got them mounted behind here on the backs of my desk all the way around, okay? But these strip lights are absolutely amazing. I very highly recommend them, and they have a great impact on your space. Let's talk about some of the features of these strip lights. So not only do you get to control the strip lights through the app, which I was going to demo in a moment ago, but some versions of these strip lights come with a physical remote and or a physical button that you could have in your space to control them, which is great. See the physical button here, this white physical button? You can turn the lights on, and you can turn the lights off with this, and you can adjust the intensity of the lights. And they come in this roll that you roll out and you stick to the back of your desk, back of your monitor, under your cabinets, etc. And they come with those clamps I was talking about earlier that keep them secured in place. I've set up people's home studios to do all these various functions, have them out of the way, under the desk, behind the bookshelf, blah, 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 and they look great everywhere, all of which is completely customizable using the app. And it all comes in this teeny tiny box, and the app is completely free for you to use. And it has millions of combinations. So you can control it using the little remote, the physical button, the app, and you can use your voice. So you're literally connecting to these lights in every way you could possibly imagine. They are so affordable. Millions of combinations customizable through the app. You buy these, you set them up, and then here's the cool part. So there's a 32-foot and a 16-foot version of these lights. You run them where you want them to go, right? You clamp them down with the clamps so they don't fall off. By the way, most other strip lights don't have that, and they fall off because they're cheap. These are premium. What you do is you run the strip lights to where you're going to run them, and you stick them on there with the sticky backs. And let's say you have 5 extra feet, or you have 2 extra feet of the lights, and you don't know what to do with it. You literally cut the lights with scissors. You just cut them off, and it makes it the perfect size. So you don't have a bunch of extra slack. You can literally cut them with scissors at the joints where it tells you you can cut it, and you'll have the perfect size strip lights. It's freaking sick. Buy them. And if you don't like them, return them, but you're probably not going to return them. Because if you're in the market for strip lights, these are the only ones I recommend.